Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to build a dashboard looking like this with several different charts and figures spread out over one page, but looking quite nice. So let's start with an empty sheet. I have this one here. First column, I mark and I make it a fill and I have dark green like that. And then I'll take a lot of things out here and I make that one light gray. So I think that one is good enough. The lightest gray I could have. Now I would just like to add a shape, which is this square. And I'll just put it up like that. And then I'll format this one. The fill will be white. And the outline is very thin. And I also would like to have it quite light gray. So now it looks nice, but then we also need to give it some shading. We should have shape effects, shadow, and I use that one. So now I have my first part of the dashboard here. And then I could add a text box and I will add it outside here so I don't make a clicking inside there. And I'll just call it sales dashboard. Then I'll drag it up here. And now I could work with the size, of course. I could change the color, take that green color, and I will make it bold like that. We can take 2023 as well. And I think I had the tails like that. I think I had it. So now we have the first part there. I think I will make it even bigger like that. And now I'll just copy this one, duplicated, which is Control D, and just make the ones I want. So depending on what kind of charts you have, of course, those one will be different. But in my case, I will make 3 out of them. And now I'll just pause a bit. So you can see how it's done when it's done, because it's just boring looking at me fixing those. So now I have the base part of my dashboard ready. I have 7 boxes formed as I like to have them, with the headers like this. So you could do however you want with the charts that you want, and of course use your own colors. But this is how I've done it. So now it's time to add the charts in here. And if I go to the data tab here, I have all my data and I've actually prepared all my charts here. So I could just copy that one and insert into my dashboard because it will actually follow. So I copy this one and go to my new dashboard and it's here. And as you see, what I have done is that I have done it with no fill. So it would just blend in with the whole dashboard and I could put it how I want it. And even if I copy paste, this one is still live. So if I would change the data, so you see here now Finland did not buy too many cars. But if I change Finland here and made them have 25,000 cars, that will update my chart as well. So that's the first chart. Now I will copy all my charts into the new dashboard, and because that is just boring for you, so you just have to see this very quick. Now I have pasted all the charts into the dashboard. Of course, you have to sometimes change the arrangement and size and so on, so it looks good. So now it's starting to look quite good, but as you remember in the original dashboard, I had figures here, the total sales and the percentage of fulfillment, and that we want to have. And this one I'll do by just inserting a text box again, like that. And here I go up to my formula bar and click equal. And then I go to my data and go to sales. And here I would like to have the actual sales. So I'll just click that one and enter. So now I have it here. And of course, I would like to have it a bit bold and a bit bigger. So there we have it. And I also want the percentage in here. So then I add another text box like that. And up here, I go back to my data. And here I would like to have the complete, how much it's completed. So this one. Also here, bold and a bit bigger. Maybe too big. No, I think that looks quite good. And now I could copy those, duplicate them, and put them in here. And now here, I'll change the data. Here it's the profit instead I would like to have. So I go down to profit and choose the actual ones like that. And what you see now is that the formatting disappeared. What I can do then is I click this one and choose Format Painter. Then I could just click on that one and it will keep the format. So I have the same font and same size and bold and so on. So now I could just do the same for the rest. Yes, so now we have the full dashboard with all the figures and all the charts. We are still missing a logo. I will prepare that one as well here. So I'll just copy that one and paste it down here. A little big, so I'll just make it a bit smaller. And then of course you could add whatever you want here. Have other stuff down here and so on. But here you have your dashboard. Quite good looking, not too much work. You have to prepare those in advance, all the charts. And of course, you might have to alter them when you get into the dashboard so it fits within the frame and so on. But it's not that difficult. And now it's all live. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Please leave a comment of what you think about it. It will all help with the algorithm, and I will have the opportunity to continue doing videos like this. Great, guys. Thank you for today. See you next time.